How to mark emails as unread on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the email app. Next, open up an email. Then to mark it as unread, tap on the More button. Then tap on Mark as unread. And that's it. Now you can see the email has been marked as unread with an orange dot on the left hand side. If you would like to mark multiple emails as unread, you can touch and hold on one of the items. Then select the emails that you want to mark as unread. At the bottom here, tap on Unread. And that is how you can mark multiple emails as unread. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.